Hello, my name is Jess from Sallie Tomato, and today we're here to share an inspiring tablescape tutorial. We've created a luminescent table setting for an out-of-this-world dining experience. The dark, cosmic aesthetic sets a dramatic, formal mood, which has been inspired by our Around the World series and the country of Greenland. For this tablescape, we're using fabrics from the Cosmic Sea collection designed by Callie & Co. for cotton and steel fabrics. This collection was also featured on 2 sizes of the travel-friendly Shaw backpack for our Bag of the Month club. We paired the Shaw backpacks with a coordinating tailor bag for a complete travel-ready trio. View the entire fabric collection and kits on our website with dreamy colors and glittering metallic designs that represent the Arctic wonderland of Greenland. So here's what we gathered for our tablescape. First, we selected a 1-yard cut of the galaxy print from the collection for our tablecloth. We also stitched up a bunch of our new free patterns from our blog, including the Sequins table runner, placemats using gold splatter cork fabric, napkin rings using concrete faux leather, and napkins using the golden whale print from the collection. We also gathered some greenery, black dinner plates, gold utensils, wine glasses, vases, and a candle. Now we're ready for the tutorial. First, we laid out the tablecloth. This fun print will surely be a conversation starter. Next, we added the gleaming sequins table runner, which looks like twinkling stars or moonbeams reflecting on the evening ocean waves. The circle placemats were a natural addition representing the craters on the moon. These were so easy to stitch, and you can even make them reversible. Also, the cork fabric makes them easy to clean. Next, we added the plates, glasses on each side, and the utensils positioned fork, knife, then spoon. This table setting is already coming together so well, and the colors are so balanced. Now time for some accessories. We placed the candle, vases, and greenery in the middle as our centerpiece. For the napkins, we folded them a little differently this time because we wanted them to look like peaks of ocean waves and use our new napkin rings. The napkins and napkin rings are both free patterns on our blog and YouTube channel. First, fold the napkin in half, staggering one side a bit. Then fold it in half again so the corners are all side by side. Next, secure the napkin ring and pull the bottom corner of the napkin through the ring. We added a few sprigs of greenery for a natural accent. Then repeat for the other napkin and place each napkin over each plate. And we're done! This simplistic setting is ready for a dinner in the dark. Who would have guessed that metallic cork fabric, sequins, whales, and constellations could have all looked so good together? With some alluring fabrics and minimal accessories, this one-of-a-kind table setting turned out to be a truly awe-inspiring project. Let us know if you're enjoying these tutorials in the comments below, and remember that all of the stunning fabrics and creative patterns featured in this tutorial are available on our website, sallietomato.com, or request them at your local fabric shop. It's so important to support your local businesses, and we want to be here to inspire you in fresh ways. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.